installment had a little technical difficulties with the last one. So we're going to do this with the third one, which is the tricep extension to work your triceps, the back of their arms, or the grandma arms, as I like to call them. You want to take the weight in your hand, put it behind your head, keep your elbows as close to your head as possible, and also keep your elbows pointing straight up towards the ceiling. There you go. You do 10 of the exercises in sets of 3s. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Be sure to hold your stomach in, contract your ab muscles, and when you're coming down, you want to contract the deltoid, the tricep muscles, as you're coming down. So up, contract. And that helps to build the muscles here. And you also are going to be contracting your bicep muscles, and that's going to help those build up as well. This can be done either one hand or two. And that concludes my final presentation for week 3